Okay, this is the entrance to Mill Stream, and I thought I'd come over here just to take a look at the neighborhood to see if we could rule it out, but it does not look like it needs to be ruled out. Okay, this is the property that you wanted to look at. I'm going to come over here tomorrow because they're taking offers all the way up through Sunday, and we wanted to get an offer in. This is the one they already have 2 offers in, sight unseen, 5270 Mill Stream, and it looks like the property is right up here in front of us. So it looks like a really good neighborhood, and I definitely wouldn't rule it out. Right there is the house. Again, it's a 6-bedroom, 4-bath home. Kind of close to the neighbors. I don't know if you like that. It's got a hedge in between. So, and you know, there's a huge lake back there. It looks like, don't know if we have frontage or not, or if we're really close to having frontage. Just don't have it. But, anyway. It's a long house, and that maybe, I think you said it had a guest cottage in the back. Okay, so that's it. Beautiful date palm in the front, magnolia on the side, large oak as well. All right, we'll come back here. I have an appointment for tomorrow.